Is it clear? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
So real object, virtual object is clear. Now moving to the image. Write down image. Images of two types. One is real image. Write down what is real image. It is a point at which rays actually converged. What is virtual image? Write down. It is a point at which rays seems or appears to be diverging. So virtual means diverge. Clear? If you are looking from
Yes,
that point, rays seems or appears to be diverging. Clear? Now see. Now tell me first of all, uh, who formed the image? Image, write down. Image, this is very, very important point. Note. Image, image is formed by reflected rays. When reflected rays meet, then how many rays are required? At least
2 days.
two rays are required to form a image. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So now see what is real image, what is virtual image. This meeting link is valid up to 7:45. Then after that I will share one more link. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now see what is real image. Let's draw this diagram. Little bit straight I should draw. This is plane mirror. Now one ray is coming, incident ray, and one incident ray is coming like this. Clear? This is the solid surface. You will draw the normal, and this will go like this. Here you will draw the normal. It will go like this. At this point, our image will be formed. So this is reflected ray. This is reflected ray. And when these two reflected ray meet, actually meet, can you see these two rays are actually meet? Now forget like where is object here, because object is somewhere here, because these incident ray is coming from any object. Object may be somewhere. I don't worry like where is object. My main motto is these rays are coming from the object or any source, and it is actually meet. Can you see? So this I is known as what? Real image. Real image. So real image means it is a point at which rays actually converge. Can you see? At this point, if you are looking from this point, if you are standing, this is your eye, and you are looking from this point, these two rays are actually meet. So this point is known as real image. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Now moving to the virtual, draw this. Now just tell me, if I drag this incident ray at the back, now what is this? Virtual object.
Virtual object.
Because at this point, rays appears to converge. Any doubt?
No, sir.
This is virtual object. Virtual object. So virtual object, what is the definition? It is a point at which these rays appears to be converged. Now remember one important thing. What is that? Image is formed. Always remember, image is formed of what? Object. If there is no object, there is no image. Clear? So from this you can understand, for virtual object, one question they can ask: for virtual object, real image is possible in plane mirror? I'm asking about the plane mirror, okay?
Yes, sir.
Simply, for virtual object, real image is possible in plane mirror. Plane mirror. Clear? Now,
Yes,
what
sir.
is the virtual image? Moving to the next. Draw this diagram. So, what is virtual image? Draw. For example, this is an object. Here you will draw the normal. Here you will draw the normal. Incident ray. It will go. It will reflect it. Tell me, will these two reflected ray meet?
No, sir.
Now I'm sharing my screen, okay?
Yes, sir.
Where is that? Is it visible?
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Okay, okay. Now for tell me, will these two rays actually meet? No, it
They won't
won't.
actually meet. They
Yeah,
appear to meet.
yeah, very good. Now just tell me, if you are the observer and you are where? You are somewhere here. When you drag these two at the back, it will meet. Clear?
It'll appear to meet. Yes,
Very
sir.
good. Will appear to meet. So what is the meaning of virtual image? Virtual image means it is a point at which reflected ray appears to meet. If you are looking from this point with your eye, this is your eye, these two reflected ray appears to meet. So this is known as virtual image. What type of object is this? Real or
Real
virtual?
also.
Real, very good. Why
Real.
real? Because from this on this point, rays are diverging. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is known as real object. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So again, I'm explaining what is that. Till now, what we have discussed, what is real object? Real object is a point from where rays actually diverge. Can you see? What is virtual object? It is a point at which rays appears to converge. Can you see? This is known as virtual object. Simply appears. If you see the word appears, then you will say it is virtual. If it is actually meeting, it is real. Now, next question. In virtual image, whatever image, virtual, real image, always you see reflected ray. When reflected ray meet, then only image formation takes place. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now, next topic will start image formation by plane mirror. Write down this topic, image formation by plane mirror. Now, first of all, tell me before that, I just want to ask, tell me this. Just if this is a plane mirror, Clear? If light incident like this, will there be any reflection?
There will be
What?
reflection in the same path of
Very
the
good.
incident rays.
What is the angle of incidence?
0.
Very good. Reflection? 0. I think this point is clear.
Yes,
Now
sir.
we will understand image formation by plane mirror. So write down first case. First we will understand image formation by point object. Point object. Clear? For example, if I placed a plane mirror like this, and this is the point object. Clear? So how many rays are required to form my image?
2 rays.
Very good. Just draw two rays like this. Draw the normal. Then it will reflect it like this. Here, draw the normal. This is reflected like this. This is normal. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Battery is 19%. Okay, no problem. It will work. Now tell me, will these reflected ray meet anywhere?
They will appear to meet at the back, behind the mirror.
Very good. Behind me is inside the mirror. So this image is known as virtual or real?
Virtual.
Virtual image. This is real object. Now you will see this is one way. This is one way to form a image of real object, point object. There are one more way. For example, at least two rays are required now. So I will place an object like this. It will go where? This is normal. It will go like this. This is one. I will draw one more ray that will go straight and come back to the same path. When you move this back, you will see the same eye. This is one more way. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is known as virtual image. This is real object. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
So you will notice here, if you want to draw any image, first, what is the step? If I place the object, just a minute. For example, this is a plane mirror. Clear? This is a plane mirror, and this is the object. Clear? First of all, first step, just draw one line. Draw one line that is perpendicular to the mirror surface, like this. Clear? Just
Yes, sir.
extend this line. Image will be here. If this is L, this will be L. Same size as the object, and it is at the same distance from the object. If object is 2 meter from the mirror, then image will be 2 meter at the back. This is the characteristics of plane mirror you have learned in class 7. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Always, for the first step to draw any image that is formed by the plane mirror, always you can write, you should draw one line that is perpendicular to the mirror surface. You will draw like this. Now you got the image. Now if somebody is asking what is the ray diagram, that ray diagram is very easy. How to draw the ray diagram? You already know the image. Just draw a ray diagram like this. Clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
So you should write here, somewhere here, write. Write down. For example, this is M. Okay, just take this M. What is M? This is the plane mirror. If this is the object, this is M. This is 90 degree. This is the image. Clear? M is
Yes,
the
sir.
point where our line, which I draw from the mirror, I just draw a perpendicular from the object. At this point, it is strike. That is known as M. Clear? So write down. Image will be virtual. Write down here. Tell me, this OM is equal to MI. Can we say?
Yes, sir.
What is the next step? Line. Line joining the object. Line joining the object and the image are always perpendicular to the mirror. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
So this line which I have drawn here, what you will do? It is a line joining the object and the image is always perpendicular to the mirror. So if anywhere they are asking how to draw the ray diagram, for example, this is the mirror I have drawn. The object is placed here, 2 meter. I want to form an image. Then draw one line like this. Image, if this is 2 meter from the mirror, where will be the image? It will be 2 meter at the back. So draw a line joining the object and the mirror like this. It always be perpendicular to the mirror. So what is the characteristics of a plane mirror? It always, you can write third, image formation, image formed by the plane mirror, image formed by the plane mirror is virtual, erect. Erect means straight. What is next? Inverted or upright? Upright.
Right.
So this is the erect, ERRECT. Okay, straight spelling. Is it visible like whatever I am writing?
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Straight. This is erect. Now listen. Any doubt? Tell me first of all. Upright means, for example, this pen. Clear? And this is a mirror. Clear? If this pen is
Yes, sir.
2 meter from the mirror, then image will be 2 meter at the back. Where I'm saying now it is back doesn't means back. Image will be
Behind.
inside the mirror, not behind. It is always inside. When you are looking your face in the mirror, then you are looking the image inside the mirror. Behind the mirror means inside the mirror. Clear?
Yes,
Upright.
sir.
What is the meaning of upright? Upright means you are looking this object. Similar object will be your image. Same object will be the image. For example, if this object is 2 meter high, then image will be 2 meter. Clear? If this pen
Yes,
is
sir.
having nip at the top, then you will see in the image nip will be at the top. So this image will be virtual. Erect means it will be straight. It never be curved. It always be straight. Third, upright. Upright means if in object there is nip at the top, you will see nip at the
Yeah.
top in the image. This is upright. Now, what is the meaning of inverted? Inverted means, for example, this pan
Upside down.
like this. Yeah, upside down. Very good. So, up to this, any doubt? Real,
No, sir.
virtual, and image formation by point object. Any doubt? In the
No doubt,
next
sir.
lecture tomorrow, I will explain some numericals for that. In those numericals are very high. For example, in that those numerical, they will ask what is the height of mirror. For example, you want to see your entire body in the plane mirror. Then what should be the height of mirror? Some type of question like if you are standing between a wall and the mirror, then you want to see the image of the wall which is behind you. Then what should be the height of mirror and where you should stand? Clear? Such type of numerical we will solve. And tomorrow's lecture, image formation by point object. Point object. For example, if I ask you this pen is made up of how many point object? Millions of point object. For example, let me show you. Just a minute. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
For example, this is straight. This is any object. This is any object. This object. This object is made up of small point object. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So I just explained this is small point. What is the image formation by the plane mirror of this point object? But in the next lecture, I will explain. For example, this is a plane mirror. In this plane mirror, if I ask you, if I drop P, then I want to form an image. This object is known as, this is not a point object, this is known as extended. You can write extended object. So in the next lecture, I will talk about how to form the image of these extended image. Clear? I will also explain
Yes,
what is field of view. Field of view. So thank you so much. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay. Tell me in this lecture, today's lecture, just go and revise because these things are very, very new to you. But I hope like after this lecture, if you revise, then everything will be more clear. Thank you. Is it
yes, sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt,
Yes,
Hasmul?
sir.
Tell me today's lecture. Any doubt? Last 5 minutes for your doubts.
No doubt, sir. No doubt, sir. Actually, in
Real?
yesterday's lecture, I had a doubt, sir.
Yes. Tell me.
Now, again, I felt confused about that. In that last lab, in CBSE, we saw about that last lab experiment, sir. Like how from the narrow medium to tensor medium, it's just bending towards normal and so on. In this Yes, sir. In this fractional distance, it's moving straight for a while, then it's bending, sir. Uh, I feel like both of these are similar. So, how can we differentiate if it's not similar?
Refraction is explained by the ray. Did you see like in refraction, bending of light, one ray, it is going to the next medium, it is bending towards the normal. Clear? But I
Yes,
will
sir.
explain those things like refraction when it is when I started now refraction terms, that is diffraction, like I've explained diffraction. Diffraction is different thing. Bending of light around the corner. Clear? What I explained, if you are sitting in this room, and you just switch on the light, then some light is coming outside. Why is it coming outside? Why is it not inside the room? The reason is because light bends around the corner. It is not going straight. If it is going straight, then it should be within the room. Canopy, like a canopy in the, not canopy, Tyndall effect. In your room, for example, there is darkness everywhere. You just make one hole, small hole. Just imagine there is one room, everywhere darkness, and you just make one small hole in your wall. And everywhere dust particles are present. When sunlight entered from that small hole, you will see light spreads or scattered. So light bends. That small hole is a hindrance. Clear? So at that hole, when light entered, it will bend like this because there is so many air particles, and the size of these air particles is approximately to the wavelength of light. That is why wave optics is valid here. Ray optics can't explain. If ray optics can explain, then the whatever is the size of hole, same image must be formed at the screen. But you will see there is spreading is happening. If light enters from this hole, then similar whole image you will feel at the different wall, opposite wall. Did you notice that?
Yes, sir.
So that small hole, when light entered from that, you will see a small patch. It should be small. Same object, same image. Means, for example, a small hole which you are looking, it is of size 2 dia, means 2 meter. Then you will see the image on your opposite wall 2 meter in case of ray optics. But actually what you are looking different thing. You are looking, when light entered from that small hole, it is bending. When it bends, you will see a lot of light at your back. In case of Tyndall effect, do you know this thing like Tyndall effect? But don't worry, you will
Yes, sir.
learn these things in your class 12.
Statistical effect, I mean, younger classes, I think so. Class 8 or something.
Tyndall effect. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Tyndall effect is you should go and check like.
So last year or class 8 something, I think, sir.
Okay. Tyndall effect, I think. Let me show you. Okay, just a minute. Is my screen visible?
No, sir.
Actually, very less battery backup, but no worry, I will explain. In a short, I will explain. Okay, just you need to see. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Can you see this image?
Yes, sir.
Can you see the spreading of light?
Yes, sir.
This is known as diffraction. Light is spreading, sunlight entered in a canopy of desert. Not desert, canopy of forest. Means lot of trees. So this spreading, this is what I am explaining. Clear? This
Yes,
is
sir.
known as Tyndall effect. Why this light spread? Because of wave nature of light. And it is explained by wave optics. And this is known as diffraction, which you will learn in class 12. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
So thank you so much. I think battery also discharge. We will start the new lecture tomorrow. Okay, don't worry. Slowly, everything will be more clear. Just go and revise the lecture. And every Monday will be the test. Once this topic is completed, then I will share one assessment also. Like you just need to solve. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Any doubt? Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good night.